Oh, it's you. How you doing? You look fantastic today. Good job. All right, guys, sit down, buckle up. In today's video, we're going to get inspired. We're in our Patreon Discord server right now, and I asked everyone there to show me their work from today versus before. And we are going to see some crazy art improvement. And what I want you to take away from this video is that with hard work and dedication, you can get there too. Don't you dare feel discouraged by the progress of other people. Soak it in. Let it inspire you, because it absolutely could be you. There's nothing stopping you. Let's get right into it. First up, we've got Zayfi art. So the first one is from December 2022 and the second one is from today. That is a crazy amount of improvement here. Oh, the pigeons are fantastic. Is this one being put in a chokehold? For the first couple of months of learning how to draw, I was drawing for about 6 hours a day. That is a lot of dedication, and it definitely shows. I still have many things to learn, but I'm pretty happy with the progress, and you absolutely should be. There's no way I would have gotten this far without the help of you, Sam. So I appreciate that a lot. But this is all you. 6 hours of work a day. I can only take 90% credit. Early 2021 versus 2023. Ray says that I think I've been trying to improve my art in too many areas at once. So the improvement's been a little bit stagnant in the past few months. And that's one of the things that we got to keep in mind. You got to work on one thing at a time. Okay, that's when you experience the most growth. I've improved in realism, shading, hard and soft shadows in these past few years, and you definitely have. This one had, oh, this blasphemous airbrush rendering. Absolutely blasphemous. What's going on here? Oh my, the kneecaps. Dude, I didn't even see the sword. Looks like one of those clear Japanese umbrellas. But yeah, look at this study here. Fantastic work. Really great job. I can definitely see the improvement. And if you were to now go back to drawing in a more cartoony style like this, I think you would see a lot of improvement as well. 2020 to 2023, almost 4 years of improvement. Oh my goodness. Okay, you definitely look like you were very new to art in 2020, but 2020, what? I wonder how long this painting took you, because this is, wow. Look at the water. Look at the bounce light on the finger from the water. The bounce, oh my, the bounce light on the underside of her arm. Oh, on the cheek. Oh, stop it. You went from this to that? You, oh, get out of here. Stop it. 2021 versus 2023. I was really scared to get into color and painterly rendering until this year. I feel like I've improved so much from the sketch and flat color days. Never thought I'd be able to make a painting like this, even if it's just a study. Never ever say that to yourself. Never say I can't do that. Believe in yourself. Look at this. Flat shading, cartoonish, simple style. This style definitely has its own place. Okay, if you draw like this, nothing wrong with it. But oh, I'm going to cry and I'm going to die. Bars. You know what word I would use for the colors here? Mesmerizing. Even the little bubbles, they're so realistic. You can practically hear them. September 2022 to August 2023. This is only a year's difference. Oh my. Ah, the first one was from imagination and the second one was with the help of a reference. You can absolutely tell the difference here. I mean, I'm sure your skill has also improved a lot, but a reference is absolutely going to help you out so much. Additionally, I used to avoid shading and detailing. Moreover, I've been what are we? Are you writing an essay? What is this? English class, socials, LinkedIn, what is this, a job interview? Get out of here. 2022 versus 2023, exactly 1 year apart. Neither are the best example of my art since it changes so much. Honestly, relatable. Yeah, at first I thought this was before and this is after. I was a little bit concerned, but no, I can definitely see that you've started using your references. Okay, fantastic. And you've learned a lot about coloring as well. This is about 1.5 years apart. Pretty proud of the difference in rendering between the pieces. I'm very, very impressed with the improvement in your rendering, because the lighting scenario is so clear now versus before. They look like they were, I don't know, they look like they were engulfed in goo and poo. Bars. These are 2.5 years apart. I improved this much thanks to Sam. Again, I cannot take credit, okay? Only 95%. That is incredible. Look at the difference just in confidence, in understanding of anatomy. Your colors are so much bolder. I love the saturated color here on the lips. Really great saturation here in the hair as well. That's fantastic. And the hair rendering, can we talk about the hair rendering? Oh my god. 2021 versus 2023. Now, you were pretty cracked in 2021 already. I think here there's a lot more scratchy lines. There's a lot more uncertainty, but then you move over to 2023. Everything is so clear. The brush strokes actually look intentional. That's a big compliment. Great job with this piece. I love that you're doing your environments, you're doing your rendering, and you're using your references. Okay, so this is about 1 year apart, 2022 versus 2023. That's insane. Oh, Once again, I'm going to cry. I got into art in general last year in May, and this piece with the white background was one of my first attempts at digital art. Goodness, good God, ugh, oh, so good. First one's from February 2023, and the second one was from a couple days ago. So this is only 6 months. That's wild. Okay, this is before 6 months later. That's wild. What a beautiful man. Look at the rendering on his face. April to August. I know it's not a big improvement, but I just found out what art style I'm going for, and I feel like I'm slowly getting there. Is your art style going from naked to clothed? You're making improvement. I can tell in the past year you've touched grass. Not enough though. It's still kind of... I'm going to give you a quick tip on art styles. You don't really just decide that is going to be my art style and I'm going to get there. Your art style is always being influenced by the things around you, by the things that inspire you. So think of it as something that's always growing and developing, okay? It's going to change as you change. There's no like end goal, like a pinpoint where you can say, I'm going to do that and that's going to be my style. There's no such thing, okay? So just take in the things that inspire you and enjoy the process. Oh, Jesus Christ, what the? Where's my grass? From my first digital drawing in 2020 to a recent drawing in 2023. So this is a 3-year difference here. May it seem like I started late, but there's no such thing. I love that mentality. You keep that up. You've definitely done a great job here. I can tell there's a huge improvement in terms of your rendering from here to here. I can tell you've studied that one piece that I've done with the water in the background, and you did a great job with the... This is 2 years apart, 2021 versus 2023. Trying to push myself outside my comfort zone and do more than just cell shading. And I can definitely tell you've put a lot of effort into the rendering here. I can tell, look at the colors, looks fantastic. And the proportions that you're using now. I feel like even though it is a different style here, you're definitely exhibiting more confidence in terms of your anatomy. So great job on that. 2021 versus 2023. I'll be real, I don't know how I got better. Honestly, that's most of us. Yeah, so this one's definitely lacking in terms of anatomy and lighting, but oh my goodness, this is just wonderful. Look at the shading on the cheek here. It's delicious. The hair, oh, I didn't even see the hair. Look at the hair. Oh, are you sure you don't know how you got better? Could it be because of a certain Sam does art? This is 2021 versus 2023. 2 years improvement, okay? Look, oh my God. You went from this to that? Oh my, 2 years. Look, you guys are too impressive. Stop it. At this rate, we're all going to be out of jobs. The AI is going to be out of jobs. April 2021 to July 2023, that's about a 2-year difference. That is fantastic. Huge improvement here. Really well done. Good job. Oh, great. A message from Alfred from Star Wars. The first 2 are from February and the rest is from April. I love when people don't read instructions. I said 1 from before, 1 from now. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The math. Where's the math? Look, I had to bring this out. Okay, this is the skull of my enemy. But if you're not careful, Alfred, this could be you. Wow, redraw from 2 years ago, and that's Chloe from Life is Strange. Great job. Definitely way more confidence now in your anatomy. And what's impressing me a lot is the hair. Okay, look at the original hair. Look at the hair now. Look at the way that flows. It's fantastic. Well done. Wow, the first one's from 3 years ago and the second one's from now. The difference here is incredible. This is clearly a beginner's drawing. There's no saving it, right? I just love the expression on your character. It really exudes personality. Everyone's art is so pretty. I'm a little nervous to pose. Well, yours is too. Don't be nervous. Come on now, breathe. So this is from 3 years apart. You've improved a lot in terms of your rendering because it was just flat before. Again, nothing wrong with that, okay? That's a perfectly fine style to use, but this is just that much more impressive. Really good job. So this is from 2018, 2 years difference versus now. Oh, that is a powerful drawing. Look at that. Oh, Miguel. Just look at the anatomy and style improvements here. That's incredible. You gotta be careful with this stuff though. People on Twitter might try to cancel you. This is 2020 versus 2023. So much more confidence here. So much more confidence. Oh, Maisie. Maisie's one of our mods. She's one of my enemies. First image is from 2021. The second is from this week. What? Dude, Maisie, you've been grinding. What? You've been grinding. You haven't told me about this. What is this? Are you serious? Stop it, Maisie. Stop it. Get out of here. 2015 versus 2023. That's a long time gap. That is 8 years. This is super interesting to me. I'm a traditional artist who switched to digital art a year ago. All my life, I've only drawn with pencil. So here's a recent painting I did learning colors and lighting. Oh, you have no idea the journey that you've got ahead of you. The journey of learning light and colors. The pain. Before, after. Honestly, you've already done a great job with your colors. I feel like a big part of this is probably because you have good understanding of values, because you've drawn in grayscale for so long. And for those of you who are doing traditional art, who are interested in converting to digital art, your skills are 100% transferable. Don't be shy. Join us. Jesus Christ, 2020? 2023? Oh, I love this style. I can tell you are already very skilled here. This is just incredible, the lighting. And this for free. I didn't know I would improve this much in 2 years through your tutorials and consistency. Consistency is so important. You've put in so much hard work here to get from this to that. Wow, sexy Harry. So this one is 3 years apart. My art has changed a lot. I feel like I understand anatomy more. There was nowhere to go from here but up. And up you went. That is beautiful. Look at that. It makes me happy, makes me warm and fuzzy inside. And that's it. I hope you guys are just as inspired as I am. I love making these videos because you guys, you inspire me. All right, this is not a one-way thing. I don't just inspire you. You inspired me. I love you. And this, all the improvements that you've seen today, there's one thing in common. Me, I'm just playing. It's consistency, okay? Everybody stayed consistent. Everybody worked hard. And everyone was open to learning and absorbing new things. That's what matters. And I don't ever want to hear you say stuff like, I can never do that. No, stop it. Don't. You can do it. This could be you if you put your mind to it. And that's it, guys. If you want to see more content like this, please do subscribe to my channel. Join my Patreon to see monthly tutorials, process videos, and be in future videos like this. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh no.